Hey guys, what's up? I decided why not do a quick little Pieology mukbang. Sorry you guys can't see the food. I'm trying to figure it out at the moment. Um Oh my god, look at my room. Look at my room. Cameroon. Oh my god, look at you like that. Yeah, that's good. So today we have Pieology. I got the artichokes, all the peppers, spinach, pretty much a veggie pizza with vegan cheese and vegan sausage. So what's up? Do be hitting. We have little Jesus over there. Hi, little Jesus. We also got Starbucks. This is my fucking order. I got a venti iced latte, light ice, coconut milk, 5 pumps of vanilla, and 2 pumps of toffee nut syrup. Sugar-free vanilla. Sugar-free. Like little shorts. I wanted to show you guys my ass, but yummy. Should I make that my thumbnail? Imagine I made that my thumbnail. But yeah, what's up with you guys? How's wherever you're at? How's that going? Fuck. The pandemic's still going on, which is very sucky. I'm about to do something on camera real quick. Let me just, figure it out. We'll see. But we're vibing. What do you guys have any new goals for the new year? My goal is white. I'm a big beluga right now. Big old beluga. But yeah, we vibe. That was a little piece of onion. I'm about to start school soon on Monday. My last year. I'm very excited. I'm majoring in business administration. Right now I'm trying to decide what my focus is because my focus right now is management, but I'm like, I wouldn't mind being that, but I think I'm gonna do human resources. I'm really excited for my marketing classes this semester. I already have homework due fucking Thursday. Like, holy shit, and Tuesday. So on Monday I have to wake up early, go for a run. Hopefully. See, I'm telling you guys now I'm gonna go for a run. Because that way I'll actually go for a run. Go for a run. Start my homework. Maybe we'll get some Starbucks. We'll see. Or drink some, you ever make fun of sponsor me being ambassador? Yeah. But yeah. Oh my god, my best friend makes fun of me. I love how you can see me right in the back. Like, hey. So have a small tongue. I hear someone passing by. Let's go look. I'm just curious. Oh, it's a child. I'm like, oh, god damn, that fucking angle, shit. Oh my, you can see my ass. I'm like, oh shit. That's explicit content. Well, before this, I was watching the bootleg opinions with Yahuwah Hamasaki and Jackie Cox. I hate how I look so much right now, but I also look good. Don't hate how you look. That's not bad. That's so bad to say about yourself. And here, I'm so crazy. But have you guys been watching Frenemies and the fucking drama? Fucking Okay, ready. Honestly, the reason I got pizza is because like Trish was eating Domino's. I should have got Domino's, but I don't know if I all agree. What can you do? But isn't the drama crazy? Like, that's some shady shit. That's all I gotta say. But, oh my god. Have any of you guys watched the Chelsea Lynn show with Devon? I want to watch it, but I haven't bought it yet. Maybe I'll buy that. Maybe I'll buy that today. Oh my god. I forget shit. Like, I forget about shit. Sorry, I just realized I forgot to mention some stuff to my psychiatrist I probably should mention. We love that, don't we? Should I paint that? What color should I paint it? Imagine I pose like that. Ooh. Why do I look like that? Stop. Quit it. Just kidding. I feel like this crust is stuck in my throat. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. What the fuck is that? I got a Gmail, that's what I want. From Congressman John Garamendi. He's a bad, bad person. Bam person. Today I went thrifting. Oh my god, look how cut. Oh my god, these are cut so cute. Artichoke. Is that chicken? Acting like I don't eat chicken, but I like to eat plant-based on a day by day usually. Like I do have some meat sometimes. I'm not gonna say I don't, but yes. Oh my god. Should I make some merch? I'm so stupid. Nobody I'm like have no subscribers and shit. I'm like making merch. Like what the fuck? I do paint sometimes. I do like to paint. It is fun. What is it? Yeah. My goodness, should I show? I like to doodle. I love doodling. But let's continue eating. Do you like a smacky? Ready? Let's do that. Oh my god. This shit's a mess. You guys can see my calendar, my room. Pretty much. This is my bed. Where I'm still a virgin. So if any guy out there wants to, I'll sell you my virginity. Don't think I'm joking. Shit. Look. I'm like, what do people do in mukbangs? Like, I know people talk. Like, I love watching Trisha. Oh my god, does anybody else watch Trish to go to sleep? I do. What can you do? Ask the audience. What do they think? Let me know. Let me know. All around the world. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Look at this mushroom. tell me a secret. I won't keep it. No, not at all. No, actually, do I will keep it. I keep looking at myself. You guys probably be like, this bitch doesn't look at herself. My dream is to meet Trisha Paytas. Love that bitch. Iconic. How you doing? I want to get my nose pierced. Do you think I should get my nose pierced? Would that be interesting? I went to Marshall's and they had some really cute comforters, and I kind of want a comforter already. I love comforters. But we vibe. We fucking vibe. Ever coming in, bitch. Oh! Yeah. That's why I went this way. I need to lose this again. Ooh. I'm like showing you, like, subscribe to my OnlyFans. Just kidding. Oh, nice. Big burps. How do you guys do it? Do you guys go like this? Or I'm a laugh at him, Dad. You know. I was gonna move to my bed, but I don't really like leaving my bed because there's this guy I like who's like, oh, I don't like when people eat on their bed, and I was like, oh, you don't. But you would like it. I'm just kidding. Imagine. He was like, what the fuck is he thinking of? I'm not gonna say it's too inappropriate. You know? I want some water. Let me get some water real quick. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. Bitty bitty bum bum toon toon toon. Okay. If you guys want more, subscribe to my channel. I deadass almost fell. I think I'm gonna finish this slice and then probably save the rest for later. Oh my god, what the hell was throw up? Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm gonna continue on with my pizza. Sorry, I just hate trash on my floor. My room is clean, but if I showed you my whole house, it would be like that episode of Hoarders. Where girl walks in, the old lady's just standing there like covered in her blanket, like it's like hee hee. You know? Remember that? Oh, look how comfy my bed is. It's so cute right now. I need to add more to my walls, but see? My dog barks. But it doesn't bite. It doesn't bite. It does not bite. But yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna finish the rest later. Because I'm like, man. Shut the fuck up, chair. Shit. I keep moving, it's my fault, but like, damn, I'm gonna be so loud. I'm trying to film a video. Like, damn. Ugh. But, yeah. We're gonna finish the rest later. Oh my gosh, should I do my fucking, thumbnail? Like, you know how something like, imagine, but I'm not gonna like use any of these, but this smells so gross. It makes my gives me a headache. But yeah. Bye. I hope you guys have a, oh my god, my dick just popped out. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys get your are having a good mental clarity. I hope everything's good. I hope you guys have a good week, good year. Sending you just positive thoughts, you know, positive thoughts. And yeah. That's it. Sending you peace and love, like Ethan says. Oh my god, this video is gonna be the whole just looking at myself the whole time I should look on camera. Bye guys, I love you guys, and wow.